Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, Babukeli, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Engabe umqeqeshi, umdlali, noma umphathi weqembu. Siyeza kuwena to talk all things development football. We are here at Soweto, extension 27, Protea Glen, eKasi, Obhuqwini, la iphekwa khona, bathi bhakwa va. Ngiphethe lana umqeqeshi, uCoach Wanda. Coach Wanda, welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Coach Wanda, ungitshele kahle nje before size phambili, awusichazele kahle sixoxele nababukeli emakhaya ukuthi ubani uCoach Wanda.
Coach Wanda ngathini uMawande kaSisilana and then ngihlala la eSoweto. Yeah. So ngathi nje like ngumuntu othanda ibhola, like I love sports in particular nje. Yeah.
Okay, Coach Wanda njengoba seshilo Mawande wakasisilana uCoach Wanda yena futhi omphathi weqembu iSoweto Shining Stars babukeli. Coach Wanda, awusitshele journey yakho as ucoach iqala kuphi?
So it started ngama parents kahle there was a challenge ngama parents. So I had a boy bathanda ibhola lestrategy eKaslavi. So when they started playing idiski, so nginokudlala nabo lapha, so bebahlali bacompare abafundi lapha abantwana because of ibhola. So I saw a need ukuthi ngijoin ama academies with football, especially eKasi, man. You know, eKasi sinalendlela leyo yokucabanga ukuthi ayisani funda then you'll make it empilweni. So sports ne school besingahlangani. So I saw a need njoba utsho namanje ukuthi sebhuqwini la phekwa khona. I saw a need ukuthi let's join academics with esports. So we started ngokututora intwana. I used to do Afrikaans, tutora intwana my history, geography, tutora intwana. From there maybe say groundini abazali baba happy. So we like that's how we started. Intwana engane umanda 9, 13 and 11. That's how.
Babukeli bethu njengoba eseshilo uCoach Wanda uqale ngokuthi ajoyinise abantwana ahlanganise ama-academics wabantwana nani nesports. Wafundisa abantwana kuma-tutoring centers waphinde wabafundisa nebhola uCoach Wanda. Coach Wanda muhle kakhulu umsebenzi owenzayo. Bathini i-development yomntwana it's holistically, not only academically but we develop kids holistically. Because asazi bazophumelela kanjani. Abanye bazophumelela ngesikole, abanye baphumelela ngebhola. Okay, Coach Wanda nawo umunye umbuzo enginawo. iSoweto Shining Stars njengamanje idlala kwi-Academy League, Johannesburg Academy League, angithi?
Yeah.
Okay, Coach Wanda, ake sixoxele ababukeli nabazali emakhaya ukuthi usebenza kanjani wena ukuthi iqembu lakho liqhubeke likwazi ukuhamba liyodlala ama-game ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi you go play games away very far. You need transport, you need food for the kids, you need funding kahle kahle. So wena njengoCoach Wanda neSoweto Shining Stars, ikuphi enikwenzayo ukuthi iqembu liqhubeke lishine ngoba ngiyazi nendlela eligqoka ngayo mali yodlala iqembu lenu liba lihle kakhulu. Abantwana bagqoka ama-tracksuit, abantwana basuke bebukeka ukuthi i-team yebhola, i-team ene-passion. Yini wena oyenzayo njengoCoach Wanda nabo coach osebenza nabo ukuthi i-team ihlale isezingeni?
Okay, firstly into engizoyitsho ukuthi kwabukeli ekhaya ukuthi esikhathini esiningi don't let indawo uphuma kuyo ekudefine ukuthi unjani. Yabona. So ukuthi siphuma ebhuqwini mara mase njengoba sowutshilo nomphathi wehlelo ukuthi masingaphandle sibukeka sibahle and siyahamba. So kwenzeke ukuthi I worked a lot nakubo ma-GDL nakuma-team of-GDL. Ngifundile ukuthi ezinye into zenziwa kanjani. Yabona. So ngithathe some of the ideas I got them. Abanye like you know when you work, I've worked nabantu abangifundisile. Omunye they'll give me advice. Abantu abakhulu, like let's say you get people like Abu Ntlantangwenya, then they give you advice. You take that advice. One day you'll need it. You put it in your bag. One day, so for us, like us to attend games, we try ukuthi team ingabi eka Coach Wanda, team ingabi eka Coach Nkosi maybe or omunye coach or team kube team ayibe yomphakathi. So our team kahle kahle it's based iranwa ama parents nabo coach for ukuthi abantwana abakhona. So we try as a lot of sponsors newasibahle sinjani, we try ukuthi siziwashele thina ama-kit sizenzele yonke into. We try ukuthi nama-parents ba-contribute ama-parents kuyo ama-gaming, ba-contribute ama-parents sometimes kuthengwe ukudla for abantwana. Let kids look like other kids. I once said ngelinye ilanga there was a boy of mine la. So normally mabefika ema-groundini, you know when a kid ayinama-boots amahle, right? Izoyenzani mayifika, let's say you take them, maybe like us, they feel free because we environment yabo. Yeah, comfort zone. Azofaka izinto ezisinaka ama-tight, into like kuningi nje umntwana because baku-comfort zone yabo. So now bese kuthiwa umntwana uyadlala right. So they say now take him to Chiefs. Mayifika ku-Chiefs, everybody's dressed up. Presentation is very good. Mayekada yenzeni asabe ukudlala, afihle nalama-cocks wakhe. Akasayanga laphana sekabheke abanye ukuthi banjani. So my boys ungabathatha la bafake anyway, they will connect because they are used to the level. That's what we are trying to teach. Ukuthi get used to the level. Play school of excellent, play against your Sundown, play against your Kaizer Chiefs, play against the Orlando Pirates. Get used to the standard. Mawufika laphana, mawubizwa for ama-trials or for ama-assessment, awusabi next. Like you are used to environment, the high level in terms of development.
uCoach Wanda sekukuningi kakhulu akushilo babukeli. Engikuthanda kakhulu ukuthi iqembu akulona lika Coach Wanda, iqembu akulona lika Coach B noma lika Coach Nkosi, kodwa iqembu lomphakathi. Usebenzisana kakhulu nomphakathi waseProtea Glen, abazali balabantwana enibabona la emva kwethu bejima. Coach Wanda muhle kakhulu umsebenzi owenzayo. Awusitshele ke Coach Wanda sisakuyona nje iSoweto Shining Stars. iSoweto Shining Stars inama division amangaki?
iSoweto Shining Stars kahle kahle thi ngiqale phansi. iSoweto Shining Stars iqale ngama-division ayi-3.
Okay.
It was under 11, under 13, and under 15. That's all we had, right? But from kanjalo sakhula, so under 17, from under 17, we had our under 19, and then our under 19, we saw a need with sabadala under 19, let them play promotion league, kanjalo. So now we have my division almost working because we cater from Mtana Una 6 years, even if 5. When they are good, then sabafaka laphayana who under 10 years too. We don't have under 6.
Oh, okay.
We don't have under 6. You have which of it is safe for queen.
Yeah.
Ama resources
limited.
Under 6. So we send any CI package, sends under 10,
okay.
And then the Senna under 12, then under 13, under 14, 15, 17, under 19, and then with our first team value under 19.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we also have under 23 that's participating MFA.
Oh, okay. Siyabonga kakhulu Coach Wanda. I-structure ke seteam akusixoxele nje nge-structure seteam kabanzi from coach bonke onabo. Ngiyabazi coach osebenza nabo bakhona coach B, bakhona coach Nkosi. Akusixoxele nje coach osebenzisana nabo kwiSoweto Shining Stars.
You know, when it comes to coaching nabo coach bethu, I think we have found our coach that has passion in terms of the grassroots football. So people abangasabi to get their hands dirty. You can look at me now.
Yeah.
I can with the experiencing now, I can go say I'm from Seven and then apply coach anyway. We understand, but we decided to do like us. So with the coaches, we have coaches very passionate about football, very understanding in terms of grooming umntwana from being nothing to being something. You understand? So we have Coach B, of which Coach B, we call him Coach B, of which is our goalkeeper coach. Okay. And then he's our assistant coach of his team.
Okay.
And then he also assists with all ama division in terms of structuring ama training.
Okay.
Yeah. With my training which is he is the one that always pushing in terms of what I so like going back to basics, like these 2 past weeks, we've been going back to basics. Okay. And then trying to put it because it's summer now.
Okay.
Trying to
you have a lot of time to train the kids.
Yeah. So Yeah, then we have Coach Ikosi. He's coaching our under 17s. Yeah, he's a champion coach. He likes tournament. We are in a football tournament. And then we have Coach Mpelo Silas. And then he's our under 13 coach. And then Coach Wanda, me under 14 coach. Then we have Coach Udula, he's our under 15 coach. And then Coach Chafta, under 10 and 12 coach.
Siyabonga kakhulu isona-ke i-structure leso seSoweto Shining Stars babukele emakhaya. Coach Wanda, ngiyazi ijeni yakho ibe yinhle kakhulu njengoba ushilo ukuthi you can go anywhere, get umsebenzi, work for that team. Coach Wanda, usitshele ama-team owasebenzelile uzuthola le experience onayo, and then what decide ukuthi no, with this experience I'm going back eKasi obhuqwini ngiyoyiphekela mina. Awungitshela ama-team osusebenze kuwona Coach Wanda uzufike la sikhona namhlanje.
Yeah, it was a journey. When we started, I can say, no, Coach Lifa, of Resa manje, yeah, bisonke Resa. We went to Resa, and then we had inclination from it was in Stream B, right? And then, we got promotion, it was like Stream A. And then from there, I went to Isiluma 7. It was they were 7 Sakare. And I went to Isiluma 7, coached there for like 2 or 3 seasons. Yeah. So we got promoted also Nakona, among Figa Corner. We also got promoted.
That was 2022. I remember that was 22. You were promoted together with the Prestige.
Yeah, that was one of the hardest leagues. It was difficult to play that league. Stream is very competitive. I don't wanna lie, it's very competitive. It demands a lot. Now, who is a coach? It demands a lot. So I coached a lot. I even coached now Assistant Students College. I'm under 19, and then coach also under 16s there. So it was I've coached man and when as me say that there are a lot of places I've coached in. I say Kolwe, help schools. So after that, I saw a need good time and somehow ngabaliga khule kasi asibuyeni so ingana sekasi.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Coach Wanda. Babukeli bethu, this is one of the best and respected coaches in Gauteng. Gauteng Development League, most of the teams they want him. Most of the chairmen they want him to work for them, but he decided to come back eKasi, start his own thing, which is Soweto Shining Stars. Coach Wanda, ake sibuyeleke manje kwi-development yabantwana. Soweto Shining Stars, I know njengoba sithi ibhakwa la ila iphekwa khona ibhakwe eKasi. Awusitshele Coach Wanda, just mention some of the boys, the household boys now. Abanye ngibonile some of your players, they got contracts with Orlando Pirates, DDC. Some of the players that you have coached as Coach Wanda, about Sepsi, they are playing for Mamelodi Sundowns. Just tell us about the players that you have produced as Coach Wanda, and the players that you have produced as Soweto Shining Stars.
Yeah, it's football. Like I always say, football is a collective thing, right? So I cannot say Coach Wanda or Lesotho Shining Stars. I mean, maningi ziningi indlela ama-channel. Remember ukuthi i-development i-process.
Yeah,
So
it's not a one day thing.
Yeah, i-development is not guaranteed. Ungathola, I can take umntwana manje ona 10 years. Ngimpheke bathi good, but we cannot guarantee ukuthi
Uzoba
he'll make it
successful with football.
You understand?
Yes.
So it's us elokishini eKasi dreaming ukuthi one day lentwana le ngathi ngayenza lento le, but with the channels nendlela isizahambayo, you understand, yila ngitsho khona ukuthi umntwana angaze aphekeke afake. Like for instance, you just mentioned now ukuthi kunamaplayer ku-Pirates like uJoy Manana. Joy Manana is at Pirates now. Ijeni yakhe mangikhumbula kahle, if I can tell you nje a short story. Bekahamba ngelinye ibhayisikili eliblue, bathi uNtswemu, but ahamba ngebhayisikili. You understand? So belibhalwe Joyride, uthanda ibhayisikili. So it was 14 or 15, yeah. So khuluma naye ngamjuta ebholeni baba. We started training him. He's good. mara akakazazi ukuthi uNhlwempu ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi can make it professional.
Yeah,
We understand. So it took time, the process. So when we open up a donation, is join our resa, that's now another step. Is a development. Yabona ukuthi oh, nyakhona ukudlala nabo Chiefs, nyakhona ukwenza ini left iresa, we are like us, played here promotional promotion yethu, we played. We've been playing nabo Pirates. Alibela dlala against nabo Pirates. Promise. Ne bangamthathi alibekadlala against Pirates because it's a process bengakabi isikhathi sakhe ukuthi angadlala ngalo sikhathi leso even if yena bekafix, you understand, but because besingakafiki, but because he kept on by the time ke siyabona ukuthi ukena Pirates, then we got contact Lebu from Black Poison. We spoke to Lebu and then he went to train Black Poison. He played a season, Black Poison. He was seen by Vino, from Vino played International, the Pirates Cup. Then now, okay, Tabanga they train there, usually P4, same tola Pambi. So it's a lot of players that went through maybe like the same process, you understand? So yeah, we've got the likes of like Tepsi. Enjoy uThembi wakho Sundowns yazange yamfika waze waya kuChiefs yamthatha iChiefs wabuyela sikabuyela kuSundowns, but he played against Sundowns before, you understand, bangamthatha. I was telling my under 14s the other day on Monday ukuthi you guys you were playing against abo Sundowns namanje bayodlala i-tournament against abo Sundowns nabo Napoli, right? And I'm saying they didn't pick you at the age of under 13. They can pick you under 19 or under 17 or even with senior team or with senior team. That's sometimes it's how it works. It's like a fate. You understand? That's why Nititina Ekasi Emakasi we living in the dream. That's why we'll always we'll always be happy. Most of the coaches, like what coach babumfundo vilakazi, you can abaphumekazi, they are happy ukuthi at least you've made it. We understand from the properly. So you've turned our dream into a reality. You understand?
Very true.
Sasekazi thina mfethu let's push lento le yabona. Yeah.
Njengoba eshilo kucoach wanda babukeli isitimela singakudlula manje akusho ukuthi sesidlule forever uzosifica futhi phambili. Bona bonke abadlali bebhola ngabe udlalile against Kaizer Chiefs, ngabe udlalile against Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns, they didn't select you. Useshilo ucoach wanda ukuthi akusho ukuthi it's the end of the road. Keep on pushing, keep on playing. Example asenzele yona Joy Manana babukeli mabukeli iGDC Orlando Pirates ubona uJoy Manana just know ukuthi uphekwe la ubhakwe la uyilento ayiyona nje na imisebenzi yakhe ivela lana nangu ucoach wanda. Ucoach wanda is still here ubhuqweni usazopromota futhi abanye oJoy Manana abawu-30 noma abawu-40 abezayo. I know la ngemuva coach wanda sesidlula nje sibuyele kulabo abakhona la. I know kunama-players onawo njengamanje currently who are very good. I know some of them. Lucky enough, I'm someone who follows football. Kunabo Madiba, kunabo Vetis, there are so many players onabo esimini yakho coach one who are very very good and talented players. To all academies abalapha phezulu who want to see the talent, come to Soweto Shining Stars. You will see pure and beautiful talent. Coach one, tell me more about the players that you have currently, the squad that you have now. I'm a players. I know you believe in these boys. I know you work your socks out for these players to be what they become in future. So tell me more about the players that you have currently.
You know, like you said, and then like we've got a player right. Hence, I said with the experience in Yangabanayo throughout a football journey, right? So what we tried and it's make life simple for you know your top academies like your PSL academies, Abo Chiefs, Abo Sundowns. Every boy's wish to play for
those
academies,
teams,
right?
yeah.
So Chinito Senzayo, we driving it's a community thing. We try and speak to the parents with if it's Cholumtana Sampeg, Menzeli passport, Nana, when everything
All the requirements.
Which make a figure good Chiefs.
Qaqala phansi kwenziwa
Qalwa phansi kwenziwa ama-passport nani. Every boy owabonayo lana they've got passports, you understand. The rate we've got under 14. I mean I love the league that we played because I demand ukuthi silwele ama-points like in stream B engineer,
Okay.
right? It's like
Yeah, it's all about
Ah,
development.
siyapheka la.
Yeah, yeah.
We've got a boy uKamuyelo Tladi. He's 13 years, playing under 14. Yabona, we've got Abu Siyabonga Msimangu, Ntando Ndlovu. They're under 14s, but they also play under 15, under 17. They're good. You understand? So that's why we don't have pressure. Angeke uthi
For
upheka-
ama-results.
angeke uthi uqala ukupheka nje ibhodo lakho solibeka
Sewulinde ukuthi
kwi-six.
livuthwe.
Hayi, kumele uqale nje isitofu nje sibeke kahle, sikhuphuke kahle. So we cook it very nicely here. Yeah.
Coach Wanda siyabonga kakhulu. Mawukhuluma ngokukhuka, one of the coaches kuma big teams eSouth Africa bathi uMaster Chef, bathi coach so and so is cooking. Now Coach Wanda, I know ukuthi you are cooking. Imiphumela yakho isibonakele njengoba usho aboThepsi baphuma kuwena, aboJoy baphuma kuwena, abolifa kuChiefs. Ulifa uphuma la kuwena. So babukeli bethu, uhlelo lwethu lanamhlanje ngilithande kakhulu. Kwamina ngifunde okuningi kakhulu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe ngaba nocoach ofana nocoach Wanda ekukhuleni kwami. Engabe mhlampe ngikhuluma okunye, ngabe angikho la ngikhona namhlanje. Ukube ngathola ithuba lokuthi ngibe nocoach ofana nocoach Wanda. So bocoach ma-player kubalulekile ukusebenzisana. I-relationship between a coach and a player, it's very important. You will never go anywhere without that relationship. If you are a soccer player, you must listen to your coaches. You must do what your coaches are saying to you. Coach Wanda, siyabonga kakhulu Coach Wanda ngokuthi usinike ithuba lokuthi sizovakashela iSoweto Shining Stars. Babukeli bethu, please go to uYouTube wethu, the Daily Bread TV. Under the Daily Bread TV, you will find Let's Talk Development Football. Like, subscribe, and press the reminder button. We are also going to give you more and more interviews. Whether Opokwini, whether Eslungwini, Let's Talk Development Football. We are going to be there. Thank you. Omunye umbuzo enginawo for wena. Umzali unomntwana ofuna ukudlala ibhola. Umzali ke usefuna ukwazi ukuthi ngijoyina kanjani iSoweto Shining Stars. Sicela usiphe leyo mniningwane ngoba baningi abazali abazobe bebukele lolu hlelo, abazohlangana nalo TikTok, abazohlangana nalo YouTube. Sicela usitsheleke Coach Wanda ukuthi balibukela bajoyina kanjani abantwana, umzali mefuna ukuletha umntwana azodlalela iSoweto Shining Stars.
For now, into esiyenzayo, it's like we accept umntwana through ama-assessment. We will assess umntwana, and our assessments are for free. You understand? Because currently we will start to have trials maybe from next year. You want because of remember what she team yasekasi eBokweni, so need to cater color for ikasi.
Yes,
You understand?
yes.
So everybody obukele balaleli and parents, players, we do not take umntwana without any parents' consent. So parents have to come to me or any other coach within our structure or like Soweto Shining Stars eze aphethe umntwana, and then sizokhuluma noparent, then then umntwana angaqala ke a-train team. But we do not take ama-walk-ins. Because as you said,
Anything can happen.
because
Yeah.
the tricky part is umntwana makeze, then you tell umntwana una 13 or 11 ukuthi la ithimini kufuneka i-passport or sihamba sodlala isando, then ufike endlini mama sodlala isando kufuneka i-passport. It raises
So many concerns.
so many concerns like human trafficking, into ezenzekalayo, you understand? So we need to explain to parents ukuthi kwenzakalani in football development, because thina football development, especially guys, you know, I like this show because let's talk football development.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
And then it's when you say let's talk football development, thina sesibheka esilungwini kuphela.
No,
But lento esiyenza la eKasi, we don't take it as a development.
it is development.
Yes,
It is development.
When uqinisile ngoba uzakhona kuyo straight.
Yes, it
But
is
omunye
development.
umuntu like omunye umuntu angeke ayithe, because when you say development,
Uzocabanga Kaizer Chiefs,
Kaizer Chiefs,
Mamelodi
that's
Sundowns.
development.
No.
You understand? But yazi esinye isikhathi development ne siyithatha thina ngale ndlela le sithatha ngayo, like sithatha kancane ebhukwini. We don't call it development. We call it ukuthi hayi hamba nodlala nje
Kube ngathi
lapha,
simosha
simosha isikhathi.
Yes,
Then now you uthola umntwana aphekiwe. Remember, every child that's in Sundowns That's in Kaizer Chiefs.
It
That's
starts
Super
here.
Sport. They've started somewhere.
Yeah.
They've started somewhere.
Yeah,
They've started
true,
somewhere.
true.
You understand? So I think now it's about time for us, Nachi, la ekas kuma grassroots. Maybe find out. Maybe basinike elinye igama ke. You understand? If it's football development, it's all about
Chiefs and
Sundowns.
and versus
Yes,
other big
maybe
academies.
that's why bathini ebhukwini. Then
Yeah.
maketa they brush it off with
Engathi
ebhukwini.
sebhukwini.
You
Engathi there's
understand?
nothing that is being
So
done here.
let's talk football development is going to change how abantu base-South Africa bacabanga khona ngebhola. You
Yes,
understand?
yes,
I
yes.
probably let me teach you something. Just a quick one. Uvino. Kaloku ushutha kuphi?
Ebhukwini.
Before FNB
Before
yangithi
angena FNB Stadium.
wathola ama-likes amaningi wangena e-FNB Stadium. U-OB uqala ukujayiva ebhukwini.
Yebo. Azahlale
Okay,
ku-Chiefs.
Okay, right. Kusho ukuthi yini lena?
Kuyaphekwa
Asiyona
la.
i-development lena.
Kuyaphekwa
Let's talk
la.
football development.
Babukeli bethu usayiqedile ucoach Wanda wasivalela umcimbi kamnandi. Let's talk development football. It's not about our big academies. It's not about your Siluma Sevens. It's not about your Resa who are playing in Gauteng Development Stream A. It's not about your Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, Randbeck. Those are big academies. But it's all about development football. It starts where? It starts here, Upukwini. Ushilo ucoach Wanda wathi everything has a start. Everything has a start. Nathi as let's talk development football, it's our start. We are going somewhere. Babukeli bethu, we are here to change your view about development football. Ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngithi join us ku TikTok, follow us, and then uye ku YouTube mbukeli, like, subscribe, press the reminder button. Let's talk development football. We are going to give you more stories of development football. Danko.
Give it on, give it on, give it on, give it on, give it on.